Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with Extreme Coupon Review, and today we're going to be reviewing the McDonald's Holiday Pie. Now, we are actually visiting somewhere for the holidays. We don't have these in our hometown, but these are different. And if you look at them, they are actually a sweet crust. They have sprinkles, and the inside is actually a custard filling. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. But basically what it is it's a custard-filled pie. And it's nice and warm. If you get one that isn't completely warm, you can warm it up in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. And it is very wonderful. It smells like vanilla. And it doesn't have an overwhelming flavor or taste. Slightly sweet, but very, very creamy and just very delicious. I've never had one of these before, but very tasty. Definitely blows away the McDonald's apple pie, bar none. So if you get a chance, check and see if your local McDonald's has these guys here, which are called the Holiday Pies. And they say for a limited time only, but of course they should have them for the next holiday. But definitely very, very tasty. We give it a big thumbs up. And if you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up as well. Please subscribe, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, throw it up on Google Plus and Facebook, and tell us if you've had this in the comments section below. If you've had this, tell us what you think. Tell us if you like it, you hate it, it's good, it's great, or what pie you like better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.